Should you turn off your AC before resetting?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question many homeowners and renters have about their air conditioning units. The burning question is, should I turn off my air conditioning unit before resetting it? Let's dive in.
Why would you need to reset your AC?
Sometimes, our AC units might not work as efficiently as they should or might encounter temporary glitches. Resetting can help resolve minor operational issues and give your unit a fresh start. But before we jump into the reset process, it's crucial to understand the safety steps.
Should I turn it off?
Yes, always turn off your air conditioning unit before resetting it. Turning off your unit ensures safety. Electrical appliances can be hazardous if not handled correctly. Turning off ensures you're not at risk of electrical shocks. Preventing damage. Turning off the unit minimizes the risk of any potential damage that could arise from a sudden reset. Effective reset. Some AC units might not reset effectively if they remain powered on during the process.
How to turn off and reset.
1. Locate the switch or breaker. Many modern units have an on-off switch near the outdoor compressor. If yours doesn't, you might need to shut it off from the circuit breaker. 2. Wait. After turning off, give it a few minutes. This allows any residual energy or charge to dissipate. 3. Press the reset button. If your AC has a reset button, press it after ensuring the unit is off. 4. Turn it back on. After resetting, turn the AC back on using the switch or the circuit breaker. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, safety always comes first. So, always turn off your air conditioning unit before resetting it. We hope this information helps you maintain a cool and comfortable environment in your home. Stay cool and stay safe.